this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet one of the easiest and prettiest stitches you'll ever learn, the moss stitch. It's sometimes called the linen stitch or the granite stitch. This stitch uses only two basic stitches, the chain stitch and the single crochet. And I've placed links for those videos in the description in case you need a refresher. The moss stitch creates a soft, stretchy fabric that's perfect for scarves, blankets, shawls, and so much more. If you're ready to learn, grab a hook and some yarn and let's get started. For today's tutorial, you'll need yarn, a hook size that's appropriate for your yarn, and that could be anywhere from one size smaller to one size larger than the hook size recommended on the label. For example, if the hook size recommended on the label is a 5mm, you could use any size between a 4mm and a 6mm. And if you're going to fasten off and weave in ends, you'll need scissors and a yarn needle. I'll be using a number 4 medium weight yarn and a 6mm hook. For the moss stitch, you'll start with an even number of chains. I've created a starting chain of 18 chains. We're going to start by placing a single crochet stitch into the 4th chain from the hook. The loop on the hook does not count, so that's 1, 2, 3, here's our 4th chain. And place a single crochet stitch. And then chain 1. Now we don't want to increase our stitch count, so we're going to skip a chain and make a single crochet into the next chain. And then chain 1, skip, single crochet into the next. Chain 1, skip a stitch, single crochet into the next. And we're going to continue that way until the end of the row. So chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. If you enjoy simple, step-by-step crochet tutorials designed for left-handed crocheters, consider subscribing. It's completely free. And tap the bell so you don't miss future videos. When you get to the end of the row, chain 2 and turn. Now for the next row, instead of working into the stitches, we're going to work into the spaces created by our chain 1s. So single crochet into that first space, chain 1, skip the stitch, single crochet into the next space. Chain 1, skip that stitch, single crochet into the next space. And we'll continue until we get to the end of the row. When you get to the end of the row, you're going to make a single crochet into that space created by the skip chains. And then chain 2 and turn. And we'll repeat that for this row. We're going to make a single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 1, skip the stitch, single crochet into the chain 1 space. When you get to the end of the row, you're going to make a single crochet into the space that was left by creating the chain 2 turning chain. So in between the turning chain and the stitch from the previous row, insert your hook, make a single crochet stitch. And you will continue that same pattern until this project reaches the size that you want it to be. And after just a few rows, you'll begin to see the pattern that's made by this beautiful moss stitch. It's simple and creates a beautiful texture by just using chains and single crochet stitches. If you have any questions, please pop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.